Hello. As we all know, after selling pigs in a farm, the corridors can get quite dirty and require thorough cleaning and disinfection. This process can be time-consuming and labor-intensive, which can impact the overall efficiency of the farm. That's where our robot comes in. Our robot is designed to efficiently and effectively clean and disinfect corridors in pig farms and other similar environments. It is equipped with advanced sensors and technology that allow it to navigate and clean corridors with precision and ease. The robot is also designed to be easy to operate. It can be controlled through a user-friendly interface that can be accessed via a mobile device or computer. This allows farm workers to control the robot from a safe distance and monitor its progress as it cleans the corridors. One of the key features of our robot is its versatility. While it was designed specifically for pig farms, it can also be used in other environments where corridors require regular cleaning and disinfection. Overall, our robot offers a cost-effective and efficient solution to corridor cleaning and disinfection. By reducing the time and labor required for this process, it can help increase the overall efficiency and productivity of farms and other similar environments. Thank you for watching.